Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reduce your audio file size in MP3 format using Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see the File menu there. Go ahead and click on File, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Export Audio. This option allows you to save your audio project in various formats while giving you control over the file size and quality. After clicking Export Audio, you'll see a new option appear. Click on Export to Computer. This will open up a new window where you can configure all your export settings and choose exactly how you want your audio file to be saved. At the top of this window, you'll notice a field where you can rename the file name if you'd like. This is completely optional, but it's a good opportunity to give your audio file a more descriptive or organized name. Right below the file name field, you'll also see an option to change the location folder. If you want to save your file to a specific location, click the Browse button. From there, you can select whether you want to save it to your documents, downloads, desktop, or any other folder on your computer. This makes it easier to keep your files organized and find them later. Now, here's where the file size reduction happens. Look for the Format option and click the drop-down menu right beside it. From the list that appears, select MP3 files. MP3 is a compressed audio format that significantly reduces file size while maintaining decent audio quality, making it perfect for sharing or uploading online. Next, you'll want to adjust the quality setting, which directly impacts both the file size and how good your audio sounds. Find the quality option and click the drop-down menu right beside it. Then select medium 145 to 185 kilobits per second. This setting strikes an excellent balance between file size and audio quality. It should sound quite good while significantly reducing the size compared to higher bitrate options. Once you've configured all these settings, click Export. Audacity will now process your audio file and save it with your chosen settings. This might take a few moments depending on the length of your audio, so just be patient while it completes the export process. And that's it. You've successfully reduced your audio file size in MP3 format using Audacity, making it much easier to share, upload, or store without sacrificing too much quality. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.